If you're just tuning in now, today we're going to be looking at how to create the database, which has the following create statement. It's got the message table, the client table, the blog post table, post table, and a couple other ones. And this is the code that's actually going to be used in order to create it. Let's actually create it with our XAMPP. We currently have XAMPP running. And we're going to go into information schema, MySQL. I want to create a new database just to give you an example. Databases. Loads my database section. We have create a database, and we're going to call this Koala. Okay, Koala CMS, information SQL, and create. Koala database Koala CMS has been created, and there it is. Now we're going to add some SQL to this database right now. So we're going to go in here. I'm going to add everything except for the insert statement. You know what? Also, everything other than that insert statement. So, do we have any insert statements? That's it. Control C. And let's see what happens when we paste this. Make sure that everything goes smooth. Currently, we're in Koala CMS. We run the following query, and this query actually creates our tables, which weren't there a second ago. So let's have a look here, and boom, there's our tables that are newly created. It'll tell you everything: the client table, comment, message, and post. So let's actually have a look at what a post is. Okay. MySQL, we got a post ID, text, client ID, and the amount of likes of a specific post. But we're really interested now. Create index, create, insert into client. What was the last thing we created? The message and post table. It was right before insert into client. Insert into client, client email, Kramer1346, and Gmail, and pizza. Okay, so let's look at our client table here. Okay, that's everything that has to do with a client. Sorry. As you can see, we have a lot of fields: the client ID, the client name, client email, password, analytics code, and the client creation date. So that's a lot of stuff. Let's do just one SQL query, which is going to add a new client. So we go into SQL, and we're going to do insert into client. Okay, and how do I run it? I do click go. Okay, done. Insert it into the client. Now if I go back into the client table, I see that there's actually going to be one column, and that's Kramer16 and pizza. So that's also in the actual project code. That's how we end up creating new entries, which is there's rows and columns within SQL. So just remember, this is the row, and this is the column names over here. Okay, so that's that. Now let's create another table called the blog post table. As you can see, there's a blog post ID, a title, a content, client ID, and post publish date. And the primary key is going to be defined as the blog post ID. It defines a couple of foreign keys, and we're going to talk about that in future videos. Now we're just getting started. As you can see, it's very, very easy with this user interface to create new things and run different SQL queries. We just paste stuff in there, create a table called blog post. Something didn't work. 4 errors were found. The symbol name was expected near title at position 88. Symbol name was expected near title. This blog post was not created. Let's go back. Did we forget the create table blog post? Maybe we didn't create this table, the message table? No, that isn't. SQL, let's try that again. I don't know. Create table blog post. Okay, so, okay. Title needs to be in these special quotes. And let's run that. And there we go. This time we've created the blog post table. So we're going to talk about in the next video how to start inserting rows into the blog post table. So I'll see you in the next video.